Today we're going to be changing the coolant bleed screws on the Alfa Romeo Giulia. So first things first, you're going to want to pop the hood. So the first bleed screw is going to be right here. It's going to be the small one out of the kit. And to remove it, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. And you're going to place it right in the center and then loosen. You want to make sure your engine is cool though. When you're removing that, the O-ring from the pieces that you're removing come with it. So here's that first replacement screw by Alfissimo. This is going to go on the small side. So for this, I'm going to remove the shroud for the engine first. I use just kind of like these little tiny hook tweezers, and I was able to just hook it and pop it out. So now I find it easier to just drop the O-ring in first, and then you can worry about putting in the larger screw after you put the O-ring on. And that's the install. So we have the large screw right here. And then we have the small screw right here. And then we just have to reinstall the shroud, which is two 10mm bolts on the back. That's how you install new coolant bleed screws for the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Screws are provided by Alfissimo.